I know you want to learn virtual assistants because you want to make money online, but how about learning the top virtual assistant skills that are hotspot in 2025 so that you don't spend so much time to the point that you are not able to master or able to land a job? Let me put you on. Here are top 5 virtual assistant niches clients are hiring for immediately. These skills include course launch assistance, email management, customer support, especially for e-commerce brands, podcast production and management. This is my favorite, digital products creator assistant. The hack behind spotting hot niches that you should be learning skills to offer services on is to identify the things that people are doing currently, or identify the businesses that are springing up currently, because the more businesses spring up, the more they are going to be needing virtual assistants. So you want to ensure that you are spending your time learning the niches that are in demand right now instead of the general niche that a lot of people are already doing.